Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download visa copy from UAE Pass mobile application. For that, you will have to simply launch your UAE Pass mobile application, and then you just have to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. Once done, your home page will look something like this, where you need to simply tap on the option of add document over here, and then you will be landed on the next page where you need to select the option of request an issued document. Afterwards, from the given list, you will have to select the option of Federal Authority for Identification, and here you need to simply click on the resident visa request. After that, you will be landed on this page where you just have to wait for some time until it generates the document for you. Now once it is generated successfully, it will show you that it is now available. Now in order to download it, you will have to first confirm this consent. For that, you need to simply turn this toggle button on and then click on the confirm option in the bottom. This way you will be able to download visa copy from UAE Pass app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.